Understanding Pick a Flower, a simple guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, pick a flower. This phrase is simple yet vivid, and understanding it can help you grasp more about everyday English usage. Let's dive in and unpack its meaning and usage. Picking a flower refers to the action of removing a flower from its plant. This could be by hand or using a tool. It's a literal term, often used in gardening or when describing an activity in nature. But it's not just about the action. It's also about the choice and delicacy involved in selecting a particular flower. Literal use. In its most direct sense, pick a flower is a straightforward action. Imagine walking in a garden and choosing a flower to pluck. This action is often associated with gentleness and appreciation for beauty. Figurative use. Figuratively, the phrase can take on deeper meanings. It might be used to talk about making choices or selecting the best from a range of options. Just like carefully choosing a flower, this phrase can symbolize careful decision-making in various aspects of life. 1. Literal. She went to the garden to pick a flower for her teacher. 2. Figurative. In life, you have to learn how to pick a flower from a bunch of opportunities. 1. Confusing with pick up. Pick up a flower implies lifting a flower from the ground, not plucking it from a plant. 2. Overusing figuratively. While the phrase can be metaphorical, understand the context to avoid confusion. Picking a flower is a phrase rich in imagery and meaning, embodying both a simple action and a metaphor for choice and delicacy. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful lessons in our next videos.